Every country is different and every country's laws are different. Sometimes these laws are seriously ridiculous, and other times they point to important cultural values that might be different than our own. We've compiled a list of 5 weird laws around the world you may not believe exist. But when you're traveling, you certainly don't want to end up going to jail, right? The Playbook presents 5 strange laws from around the world. Number 1. No selfie with Buddha in Sri Lanka. When you take a selfie with Buddha, you are turning your back on him. This sign of disrespect is punishable by imprisonment in Sri Lanka. It is considered disrespectful to point your finger at Buddha, and sometimes there are bans on taking photos with the statues. Although not illegal to have tattoos of Buddha, a British woman was jailed for 3 days in 2014 for inappropriate tattoos of the man 70% of Sri Lankans feel is a prophet and avatar of God Vishnu. Be polite and cover your tattoos. Respect, no photograph signs, and don't turn your back on them. Number 2. No water pistols on New Year's celebration in Cambodia. New Year celebrations in Cambodia get so crazy that the capital city of Siem Reap won't allow for the sale of water pistols leading up to and during its big celebration. The ban went into place to prevent traffic accidents and public disorder. Apparently, any other time of the year is okay for a water gun fight, but if you go on a New Year's, shop owners won't sell you the plastic toy. Number 3. It's illegal to feed pigeons in Venice. With thousands of pigeons descending upon the St. Mark's Square in Venice, lured by the tourists readily hanging out food in exchange for Instagram-worthy photos, Venice lawmakers officially made it illegal to feed the pesky fowl in 2008. It is said the cleanup from the birds cost each citizen £275 per year. So now, the tables are turned. If you're caught feeding the pigeons, you could face fine up to £700. Better to get picture perfect shot of the Venice's beautiful bridges instead, because the pigeons are expensive. Number 4. It's illegal to chew gum in Singapore. Sometimes we all suffer when fools break the rules. After vandals used chewing gum to mess with the Mass Rapid Transit system and the Housing and Development Board spent $150,000 a year to clean gum litter, Singapore banned all gum substances in 1992. Anyone importing, selling, or making gum in Singapore can get fined or jail time, with the exceptions of nicotine and dental gums offering therapeutic value. So, don't get caught blowing bubbles in the streets of Singapore. Number 5. You cannot die without a pre-purchased burial plot in the part of France. In the town of Sarporengs, you cannot die within the city limits unless you already have your burial plot purchased in the local cemetery. This has to do with the fact that the cemetery is full. So the mayor issued an ordinance in 2008. He added, offenders will be severely punished. Really? Well, for more information on law and justice around the world, join the Global Knowledge Club, presented to you by the Playbook.